What's up, everybody? Jake has received his brand new graphics card that he has been obsessed with since it has been released. He now has it in his hands and he wants us to watch him unbox it.
Basically just want to show off.
Alright, Jake, show us what the hell you bought.
It's more wasted money. But I don't care. Because this is the whole reason I signed up for being an adult. So I can waste my money wherever I want to. So, I already have the Dominus. And that thing's over the top and ridiculous and pointless. And I love it for it. So you know what else is? The Matrix is. It was only $1,900. It's absolutely not worth it, and I absolutely had to have one. You're getting me right now. Bad timing though. Let's see. Like a briefcase in here. At least they didn't skimp on the boxing for this.
Jake is acting like he doesn't know what is inside this thing, but he knows exactly what's inside
I know
this thing.
exactly what's inside it, but I can still admire
He's been following this since they announced it and has been absolutely obsessed with it.
To the point I actually ordered this off of OC UK because Newegg still does not have it on their site. So they don't get my money. This thing is heavy as hell and actually pretty damn gorgeous.
Alright, that's pretty good looking.
So, worth $1,900? Hell no. Absolutely not. But it's going to look really good with a Dominus. And that's all that matters.
So tell us, Jake, what makes this card so special?
Aside from the exorbitant price tag, it has, which if anyone follows Computex, they would know this, but it has a built-in all-in-one. Now, it's not a 120, it's not a 240, it's literally a very slim radiator with a rather enormous copper cold plate for it. But essentially, because it's contained fully, not just for the normal all-in-one aspect, but because it's contained fully within the same form factor as an air-cooled card, it's essentially the best air-cooled card on the market. So you don't have the 120mm rad dangling off the end, but you're going to get the performance of having something like that over just a standard air-cooled card. The benchmarks and stuff like that so far online have shown it to be about the same noise and about the same temperatures as the normal Strix air cooler, but with, I think it's about 10 to 15% clock speed increase over that card for those same levels of temperature and noise. So it's actually pretty impressive considering what it is. It's not going to set any LN2 records, but for the fact that we have a card of this size still contained within an air cooler's form factor, but we're getting some of the benefits of, all-in-one water cooling again in this form factor, that's what impressed me about it. So it's one of those things that you're starting to kind of break into new technology and new areas of pushing boundaries, and I've always been a fan of innovation. So kudos and hats off to ASUS for doing something no one else has done yet. So yeah, that's why I wanted to spend $1,950 on this thing, because I thought it was cool. No pun intended.
You happy now? You're going to watch this video over and over again and relive this moment a million times?
No, I'm going to go home with this and I'm going to snuggle with it in bed and pat it and cry a little bit that I spent $1,950 on it. And then I'm going to put it in the Dominus, cry a little bit more, and then I'm going to gawk at that.
Well, there you have it, people.
So.
He's been waiting on this for months now, since it was released.
So pretty. Now I just need another one of them. Eventually. Not soon. I can't afford another one soon.
That's a pretty wicked box, though.
Yeah, no, I was actually impressed with the box. That's one thing that I will actually give hats off to ASUS with, is they don't skimp on packaging for their high-end stuff. I mean, the Dominus came in its own ginormous, like, hard cased box. So it makes opening the expensive toys that much more fun. So yeah, there you have it. Matrix 2080 Ti. Totally overkill, totally pointless. Totally love it. I approve of these kind of things.
Thanks for watching.